If you buy a secondhand phone and the previous owner hasn't taken their iCloud account off, or you forgot your Apple ID and password. iMyPhone iBypasser is a professional software that helps you bypassing the iCloud activation lock screen on iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch without Apple ID or password. Let's see how it works. First of all, go to iMyPhone website. Link is also mentioned in the description. Download iBypasser software and install it. After installation, first register your software so that you can enjoy full features and get updates. After purchasing it, now activate it via key that iMyPhone gives you. After activate it, let's deep dive into it. First option is iCloud Activation Lock Screen. Click on it. Connect your iPhone and follow these steps. Your device is now ready to use. Enjoy! If you don't know the screen passcode of your device, or the device is disabled, please select the Remove Screen Lock and Bypass Activation mode and follow on-screen instructions. If you know the screen passcode but don't have the Apple ID password to sign out of iCloud on your activated device, please select the Turn Off FMI mode. That's it, links in description. You might consider this the best iCloud unlocking software to use when facing troubles with unlocking your device, as it is easy and simple to understand without requiring professional skills. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment to this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell notification icon. If you subscribe to this channel and share this video on your social media, you will get free license of this software free of cost.